Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary names in the world of performance cars, the 2025 Nissan GT-R. Buckle up, because this isn't just any sports car. This is a beast that combines incredible power, cutting-edge technology, and a racing heritage that's second to none. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 GT-R is a striking sight. At first glance, you'll notice the unmistakable aggressive stance and aerodynamic lines that have become synonymous with the GT-R name. The front end is dominated by a bold V-motion grille, flanked by sleek, narrow headlights that give the car an intense, focused look. The sculpted hood and wide, flared wheel arches hint at the power lurking beneath, while the rear end showcases a prominent rear spoiler and quad exhaust tips that scream performance. The design isn't just about looks. Every curve and angle has been meticulously engineered to enhance aerodynamics and downforce, giving the GT-R not just a menacing appearance, but also superior handling capability. Now, let's pop the hood and see what's inside. Underneath that sleek exterior, the 2025 GT-R houses a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, the heart and soul of this high-performance machine. This powerhouse churns out a staggering 600 horsepower and 481 pound-feet of torque, propelling the GT-R from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The engine is mated to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear shifts, ensuring you're always in the power band. The GT-R's advanced all-wheel drive system, combined with its multi-mode traction control, ensures that all that power is put to the pavement efficiently, giving you incredible grip and handling in all conditions. And let's not forget the active rear limited-slip differential that allows for precise power distribution between the rear wheels, enhancing stability and cornering performance. But it's not just about raw power. The 2025 GT-R comes equipped with a suite of advanced technology designed to enhance your driving experience. The car features an advanced adaptive suspension system that adjusts to road conditions in real time, providing a perfect balance between comfort and performance. You'll also find a sophisticated braking system with carbon-carbon discs and 6-piston calipers that offer unparalleled stopping power and fade resistance, giving you the confidence to push the car to its limits. The GT-R's sport-tuned exhaust system adds to the driving experience, providing a soundtrack that's as exhilarating as the performance itself. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's as focused on performance as the exterior. The interior is a blend of luxury and functionality, with high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout. The seats are plush yet supportive, perfect for holding you in place during spirited driving. The center console features a high-resolution touchscreen that provides access to various driving modes, navigation, and connectivity options. The GT-R's unique multifunction display, located on the dashboard, provides real-time information about the car's performance, including G-forces, turbo boost, and lap times, allowing you to stay connected to the car's dynamics. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, letting you choose the information that's most relevant to your driving style. One of the most exciting features of the 2025 GT-R is its customization options. Nissan offers a range of packages and upgrades that allow you to tailor the GT-R to your specific tastes and driving preferences. Whether you're looking for enhanced aerodynamic components, a more aggressive exhaust system, or unique interior trims, there's a package that can make your GT-R truly one of a kind. The GT-R's personalization options also extend to exterior colors and finishes, allowing you to choose from a palette of striking hues that match your personality. Driving the 2025 GT-R is an experience that's hard to put into words. The car's responsive steering and agile handling make it feel like an extension of your own body. The feedback through the steering wheel is precise, and the car's stability and grip through corners are exceptional. Whether you're carving up a twisty mountain road or hitting the track for some high-speed fun, the GT-R delivers an exhilarating driving experience that's both thrilling and rewarding. The car's active aerodynamics, including an adjustable rear wing and underbody diffusers, help maintain optimal downforce and stability at high speeds. In terms of safety, the 2025 GT-R is equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning to automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, the GT-R ensures that you're not just having fun, but also staying safe on the road. The car's advanced traction and stability control systems work in harmony to keep you in command, even in challenging driving conditions. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Nissan GT-R is a car that continues to live up to its legendary status. It combines blistering performance with cutting-edge technology, all wrapped in a design that's both aggressive and beautiful. Whether you're a die-hard enthusiast or just someone who appreciates an extraordinary driving machine, the GT-R is a car that delivers on every level. Its blend of power, precision, and personality makes it a standout in the world of high-performance vehicles. Thanks for joining me today on this deep dive into the 2025 Nissan GT-R. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the new GT-R. Are you as excited about it as I am? Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your spirits high.